mayong buntag, gabi o adlaw. Mayong buntag, gabi o afternoon sa inyo tanan. Lalo nadula tag bagong AI ni sa hindi o sa pagpunaw sa ni. So magsugod na ta.
You new here? Let Sandy show you around the inside. By the way, I forgot to ask. What's your name?
Square pangalan. Wait, tag. 12 lang. Okay.
That's such a lovely name. Nice to meet you. Come on, let's go inside the company. Go to meet the boss first. After that, Sandy will take you to find your seat.
Okay.
You done already? Wait, the boss said you'll be sitting next to me. I'm so glad. Let's go buy your seat together.
Medyo low din siya, pero okay lang.
Good day.
Okay. Ito lang.
Sandy is ready to listen.
Okay. So, okay na, ibuhat naman. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Just another day at the office, Harvest. We've just been keeping me on my toes as usual. That little fur boy is always getting into mischief. How about you settling in on me? I know it can be a bit overwhelming starting a new job, but the team here is pretty cool. My phone's been getting lost again, but nature's keeping us all in line as always. And Captain's been looking extra sharp lately, I swear. We must have a secret wardrobe stash or something. Anyway, let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Yep. Gonna look out. Yeah. Actually, so pretty one. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no.
You're awesome.
Solution.
It's time to focus.
Solution. How much? Nice. Bibigyan natin. say once again. New story. Story. I often dream of a girl from the past. A girl who I can't remember her face and name, and I only know that she studied in the same classroom since my elementary school. That girl looks cheerful, has short hair, has thin skin. She looked like someone who had been running in the sun. That child was full of energy. She came up to greet me with a question. Hi, what are you doing? With a book. Oh my god, is it fun? I energetic girl came into my life. She eagerly asked me to recommend books, and sometimes invited me to play outside, or maybe took me out, had something delicious together. It was the best time for me. But every party had end, I had to part from her, even though my heart didn't want to leave. The young girl smiled and said to me, "Don't be sad. Someday we will definitely meet again." Will we really meet again? Yes, we'll definitely meet again. I'll be by your side. Promise me? Yes, I promise. Both of us had bigger promises. The image of girl became faded. I woke up to the sound of alarm clock just like every other day. Aksaba. I got up from bed, washed my face, brushed my teeth, took a shower, got dressed, put my phone in my bag, and then walked out of the house. While traveling to work, the sound of the morning news program we heard on the roadside. The host was talking about an opportunity storm. It seems like multiple storms are heading towards the country. During this period, please take good care of your health and be cautious during this time. If you're driving, be careful as due to slippery roads, stay alert at all times now. Moving on to the next new item, a famous female idol has been found to have a secret lover. Oh, I am lucky to take a train to go to work. I choose the morning go route because it's not too crowded. After walking into the train for a while, the train departs right on time. At the moment, I feel someone poke me in the back. When I turn around, a young woman who works at the same place. Her name is Sandy. Hello, you were up early today, didn't you?
Wow, that's great.
Mm, yeah. Hello, you woke up early today, didn't you? Yes. As I finally Sandy's advice. The presidency seem to be taking a very good care of yourself, do you? You woke up late and almost didn't make it to work on time. As a senior colleague, I should find ways to help and advise you, right? But we are the same age. We're the same age, but I started to work first. So I will consider your seniors. Please respect the secret. Really. I understand the same. This same deeds. How is that saying? Yes, that's it. Oh, okay. This is beautiful. Sandy and I sit down on the phone along the way. I observe Sandy's face and see her face over laughing with young girl in my mind. Mm-hmm. What a coincidence! Sandy noticed and looked back at me.
Why are you staring at Sandy like that? Don't tell me you have fallen for Sandy charms.
As if, sweetheart, as if.
No matter how lovely Sandy is, Sandy wants to focus on work first.
Yeah, work.
A dream? What did you dream about?
I dream about old things like childhood dreams. Should I go?
Please tell me. Sandy is curious. You see, Sandy can interpret dreams.
Really, you can. I highly doubt it, sweetie. Saying this seemed interested, so it was a little bit true. Oh my god. Ah, gusto na ko ipasahon talaga sorry lagi kay kapoy na ko English ani. Uh, I just saw that the squirrel had a bright smile as a cheerful natural and enjoyed the wish to just as mischievous as a monkey. Monkey! I didn't see it. It's a dream to go back over there. That's right, but after that, I said it doesn't make it go. It's you. Simple as that. Uh-huh. During arrives at the station where Sandy and I get off together, we walk down from the skywalk to the area below, which is filled with street vendor stalls. I wonder why Baba comes here with a good song. Oh my god. Robot na ganyan ginamay. Grabe, something normal these days. Normal it is. I do have some time. What's up? Uh, mhm. Yeah, I'm okay. Sure, just let me know what day you want my help. Thank you, Sandy. So, who's that? Mm-hmm. Medical robot, kanindot ba na sa future na yun? Cute, uy. Mm-hmm. I really have a good day. To myself.
You are awesome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Maybe I should. So we just smile? Lagi siya, lagi ni, siya, gini, siya, gini. Sa bato na ko eh. Mhm. May ulan pa dyan. Wow, nice effect ha. Ano yung sound doon? Very good. Oh my God, ang mata sa gyud. Di ko sure sa mata ni mo, bish. Ano po ko napansin? Mhm. Oh my God. Model yun eh. Ang cute. Ah, just kidding pa yun. Lawang.
Wow, that's great.
Kuhan lang na. Nice. Mr. Sidestep. So binibig na po. Level 1. Should I? Perfect. Mga mini-games. Well, this is it. Salamat sa pag-tanaw. Bye! See you soon!